Hey, what's up guys? I'm Nathan Harmon with TC Customs, Town & Country TV, and today we're gonna go over the different lift kit options that we have. We're gonna go over the good, better, and best options. And we're gonna look at some lift kits from BDS and also from Fabtech. And just to start off the bat with it, this isn't gonna be a comparison between the two companies. It's not gonna be, is BDS better than Fabtech or is Fabtech better than BDS, because they're both great companies. Cool thing is that they just have some different options available for different budgets, different price points, or different goals with your lift kits. All right, so we're gonna start off with the good option. We're gonna go over a spacer lift kit. So right here we've got a 21 F150 with the BDS 6-inch lift kit with the spacer options.
Sorry for the breaking coverage, but TC Custom Foods has a breaking update. I just got word TC Customs is having a Memorial Day sale on their website right now. So hop below and click the link to save 10% on all Roush products and 15% on all BDS lift kits for 2021 F150s that are in stock right now.
So you'll see here on the front coils, we are maintaining the factory coils from factory on this truck, and then we've got a 6-inch spacer going on top of that to help provide our lift. And then it's also gonna have steering knuckles to help make sure the geometry is correct and everything's proper on there with the CV axles and the ball joints on the upper control arm and everything. So this is a good option. There's nothing wrong with it. It does maintain your factory ride quality, so you don't have to worry about, is this gonna ride rougher or anything like that. So you are gonna maintain factory ride quality with this. It's gonna be nice and smooth. Everything's gonna work properly like it's supposed to. And so this would be what we would consider the good option for your lift kit. All right, so on this truck, we've got another 21 F150. This one has a Fabtech lift kit on it, and it has a coilover lift kit. So we're gonna look at the better option. So right in the middle, what I like about this is that, it's gonna give you a little bit better ride quality than the other lift kit. I believe personally that doing a coilover replacement can provide better ride quality than what you had from factory. As you can see that there's going to be a whole coilover replacement. It's going to be very similar to the spacer lift kit on the rest of the truck. All the cross member drops, steering knuckle, all those things are all going to be the same. Just instead of using that factory strut and putting a spacer on it, we're getting a whole new shock assembly with a coil over it. So we're getting a coilover lift kit. All right, so while we're here on this truck, we just wanted to go ahead and highlight what we did to this truck. We actually just finished this morning. We did our quality control drive on and everything turned out great. This is the first Fabtech coilover lift kit that we have done on F150, and we love it. It rode great. Like I said, it's got the coilovers in the front, and then in the rear, they've got nice new Dirt Logic shocks in the rear, and those things are beefy, they're big, they're real durable. You don't have to worry about any wear on those. You're not gonna worry about structural integrity on those. And then also what we've got up front here, let's go ahead and look at our wheel and tire setup. These wheels are really cool. I like these a lot. They're the Fuel variant. This is a new wheel from Fuel. It's a 20x9 with a +1 offset on it. So it's gonna give it just, a little bit of poke, maybe about an inch or two, with a 12.5-inch wide tire here. This is our Nitto Ridge Grappler 35x12.5 R20. Great tire. The only thing bad about it is that they're so hard to find right now. But it's a great tire. If you can get it, I would highly recommend it. And then we'll go ahead and come around to the back here. And like I said, earlier we talked about the Dirt Logic shock. We've got that here in the rear. That's part of the Fabtech lift kit. So that's an upgraded shock above their base spacer kit. And then we've got the MagnaFlow black tip exhaust system. Love this kit. No drone technology from Fabtech. Or not from Fabtech, sorry. Fabtech doesn't make exhaust. This is the no drone technology from MagnaFlow. We've been using this on trucks a lot. We've been doing it for a few years, and it's a great sounding kit. Not over the top loudness, but it's got a good sound to it, the 5.0. Up here, we've got the Ford trifold bed cover. It's a great option. Nice thing about these is that it doesn't take up any space in the truck. You can go ahead and fold it all the way up, get everything out of the way. So if you need the full access to your bed, you do have that. We did do the inlays on the F150 here, just to add a little bit of black accent. Since we had black wheels, we got the black tip exhaust, we just want to go ahead and add a little bit more there with the F150. And then we've also got back here the BW tow and stow. You got a 6-inch lift kit. You got a lifted truck. If you're going to tow anything, you need to make sure that you've got a hitch that can drop down to compensate for that lift. We love these because Mitchell's shown it so many times, but this can double as a step option for you to get up into the bed of the truck. You can got multiple ball options here for different trailers, and you can even flip it up and just get it out of the way completely. One thing we did that I personally really love. I did it to my truck, and so now I'm like, let's do it to some other trucks. We got the Putco Light Bar back here. So you can see as I hit the unlock button, you got nice, clean, bright red light. And then also it does have turn signal functionality, and then it has a really bright reverse light as well. So that's a great option to have for you. One thing I really love about the Putco Light Bar is that it is fully water resistant. There are 2,000 LEDs in it, so you don't have to worry about, you know, seeing individual bulbs. It's nice, clean, looks like a solid light at night, and super bright with all those LEDs. And the best thing about it is that there's a plug and play kit available for F150. They also have it available for Tundras, Rams, you name it. Any truck that's out there that they make these for, there is a plug and play kit. So you don't have to plug it into your 4-pin connector. It actually plugs into the taillight assembly. So you remove the taillight, plug it in, and put it back in, you're good to go. So it gives you full functionality with brake, turn, reverse, and with all these new trucks, you know, having the smart trailer detection, your truck doesn't think that you're in tow haul mode, since you don't have anything plugged in the 4-pin connector. Okay, so we've gotten a chance to look at the good and the better options for your lift kit for your truck, and unfortunately we don't have an example here of the best lift kit, which would be a coilover with remote reservoirs. But we're gonna go ahead and put on the screen some, you know, clips and some photos of trucks that we've done with those, and just talk about, you know, what are the advantages of doing that. And one of the best things about doing a coilover with remote reservoirs is that you are going to get extra ride quality. You know, we talked about how the Fabtech Coilover kit is going to be a little bit better than factory, and coilover with remote reservoirs is going to be even better on top of that. And you know, that's going to be geared more towards the person that just really wants the best option that they can possibly get, or, you know, someone who may do some higher speed off-roading. That's going to provide more comfort and give you better longevity with the dampening of the shocks and everything. So that's going to be your best option. And then also, you know, having that remote reservoir does allow the oil to move out of the shock more and actually give you a little bit more travel and more droop with your front suspension as well. So that's the good, better, and best options that we have available. If you guys got any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to talk with you. The number's going to be on the screen for you to give us a call, and you know, hopefully we can help you guys pick out your dream build and help you get that squared away for you. And feel free to give us a call. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and then also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and then also turn that bell notification on so you don't miss another video. And we'll see you guys next time.
I'm 6'3".